He's on there. All right, we got us a sheepshead. He's got some size too.
Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode 904 Reel Man. We're going to be doing some wintertime fishing here, which means sheepshead time. Here's a little preview of what we're going to be getting into. Going fish under some bridges, using fiddler crabs, Carolina rigs, swing jigs, sand fleas, whatever works, and we're coming home with sheepshead. End of story. So stay tuned, keep watching.
Bait of choice today, y'all, some fiddler crabs. We're going sheepshead fishing. Gonna hit us some structures, some docks, hit the bridges here in town, and drop down some fiddler crabs and get us some sheepshead. Oh yeah, I got me one. Got that net. He's not that big. Come on in. Oh man. He's in? All right. Sheepshead. First sheepshead of the day. Not bad. Haven't caught one like that in a little while. There we go. Little bridge action sheepshead right there on a fiddler crab. And just putting them right along these pilings.
A nice first sheepshead to start my day off. Definitely a keeper. Nice looking guy, but we're gonna let him go. I always want to make sure you don't take more than what you need. If I'm out here and keeping a fish, it's gonna be a good one. Just because you're limiting out, don't mean you have to keep them all. There's no reason for all that. So make sure to be a responsible angler and let go the ones you don't need. Now let's get back to the action.
That's another sheepshead coming up. You got him? And the third sheepshead of the day. A little 8-inch. Now as soon as you see him. Yeah. You using fiddler crabs? Nice little sheepshead from my neighbor over there. Usually fishes these bridge spots too. He's on. Got another fish on. I just got took off too. Oh. He's on there. All right, we got us a sheepshead. He's got some size too. Got a little bit of size. He's sitting here, 10-15 minutes.
Here he comes, just getting dirty.
Let's see him up. Let's see him up there. Come on, baby. Should be getting up there. There he is. Yeah. There he comes. Woohoo! Yep, biggest one so far of the day. Oh! Alright. Look at his teeth. Chompers. He's a nice sheepshead.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Thick. What are you doing?
Yeah. He's coming back.
Yeah.
Biggest sheepshead of the day, definitely. Caught him on these sheepshead jigs. Show you real quick. This will be a 1/4 ounce red. They got this little swing jig right here. Nice sturdy hook. Definitely good for the sheepshead mouth. We'll get another fiddler crab on and get us some more.
Hold that thing up one more time.
There he is. The bridge sheepshead. This guy's coming home. Not a bad day of sheepsheading. Out there for a couple hours, brought up four sheepshead?
4.
Yeah, 4 sheepshead. 2 keepers, definitely let that other one go. This guy's coming back to the house. Using fiddler crabs, sand fleas, and the swing jigs that I showed earlier. Like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check out the Fishing Fool also a local angler here in St. Augustine, and check out those other videos.
Hey YouTube, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Definitely able to get out and get some sheepshead. And before I let you go, I want to share a couple facts about the sheepshead species and what we can do to help them out. So right now we have a 8 fish per person limit, and they have to be 12 inches here. And personally, 12 inches is a little bit small. Same with the flounder regulations that are in the works of being changed. Because when you see a 12-inch fish, it's just too small and they should be let go, guys. If you got to measure it, let it go. Anyway, these sheepshead are very susceptible to pollution and water changes. So I know there's been a few cases here in America. Don't hold it against me, but I am from New York originally. And there was a place called Sheepshead Bay. Sheepshead Bay used to be full of these guys. And of course, as New Yorkers do, we started trashing everything and totally polluted the bay. And there hasn't been sheepshead seen there or caught there in a few decades. So very sad story. We gotta make sure we take care of these fish and take care of our local waters. Another fact is that 90 to 95% of all sheepshead caught and kept are from recreational fishing. So this means everybody needs to make sure we pay attention to the limits and pay attention to the size, because this one's on us, guys. Last but not least, thanks again for watching this video. Make sure to turn on your notifications and hit that subscribe and like button, guys. We'll see you next time on The Real Man.